Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find the hidden items in Dress to Impress's Halloween update. So basically, if you want banana slippers, you're just going to go here next to the mask body and select the yellow pumpkin, and now you have equipped these really cute banana boots. And then if you go out here on free play, you'll basically be able to do this. Okay. I guess I need tickets. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Great. I need tickets to do this. I don't know the difference. Whatever. Let's use this one. I don't know. Oh my gosh, what do I have to do? Tap and hold to move bar. Oh! Okay, I have to just tap. Oh, why am I tapping like so much? It's like fishing, kind of. Okay, so if you like get enough points from that, I think you can get like this dress. Unfortunately, I can't show you because I didn't get it, but that's where you can get the secret items in Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.